Well, I thought I calculated everything pretty well. I brought a whole lot of tar paper. Turns out I'm just bad at math. I didn't do it right. I didn't calculate enough, so I'm still gonna need uh, a little piece and maybe even a little strip on the side. So all depends how much I have left. And also, I'll show you guys, but the main thing I wanted to bring was an extension cord for my solar panels, just so I could have lights inside. Since last time I was here, I moved the battery and the inverter is further away, so I need an extension cord to bring the power inside. So yeah, I forgot that, so I'll have to go and find one, maybe go to town or something and see if a store is even still open. It's Saturday now, so I'm not sure. But yeah, I'll have to go and try to find one if I want some lights. I showed it briefly before, but I have a little vine here that's growing. A couple weeks ago, I did a video and I mentioned that something was creeping down. No idea that it was going to be, this long and this big that quick. But yeah, now it's a nice vine just creeping down the wall of the cabin. Well, I think this is the end of this video. Didn't do much, just did a little bit of roofing work. My calculations are off. I still need more tar paper. I'll try to get some as quick as I can. And also, I'll need some more roofing nails. Most importantly, I would really like my extension cord because I kind of need lights and it gets dark a whole lot quicker now. We're in September, so the sun sets a whole lot quicker. And also, I just wanted to mention that I didn't put out a video last week because there was some pretty heavy rainstorms, but they didn't last. So I just really didn't want to film in the torrential downpour or anything like that. I didn't want to damage the camera or the mic or any of the equipment. So I just decided to not film. So that's why now I'm trying to catch up on a few things. But yeah, as of now, it's pretty much a drought. There was some storms and that was it. It's just starting to cool off. And like I said, we're in September, so it's pretty unusual to have some crazy high temperatures. It's been a week now of like 20 degrees Celsius, and it's going back up to like 25, 28, and then dropping back down. So yeah, I crossed the swamp, my usual route up the mountain, but I didn't even need to wear rubber boots. I'm still as dry as can be. The water is slowly evaporating out of the swamp, so that's one positive effect of the drought. But apart from that, rivers, my little creek, everything is pretty much dried out. Yeah, hopefully, this fall I'll get a little bit more rain. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. It really helps out a lot, and I really appreciate it.